Hello viewers and welcome to yet another exciting episode of Z Connect. Now that the festive season has reached its crescendo, everyone around me is asking me what are my plans for the long weekend. Well, it's simple. Meeting up with my friends and family, lots of rest and binge watching my favorite shows on ZTV. And I hope you too have a wonderful Eid celebration and take full advantage of this extended long weekend and indulge in some fun. And where does fun begin? Right here, right now. From ghazals to playback singing to pop music, Hariharan has traversed diverse terrains, leaving his imprints along the way and being at the top of his game all through. He was in Dubai recently for a concert where we got a chance to speak to this virtuoso and listen to his velvety voice. Hariharan ji, welcome to the UAE and welcome to our show Z Connect.
Thank you.
Well, it's always been a dream to sit across from you, hear you, talk to you like this. I don't know, I had never imagined this moment could come. I'm totally having a fan moment right now.
Yes, fan.
और अब आप यहाँ परफॉर्म करने वाले हैं A.R. रहमान सर के साथ और इतने सारे co-singers हैं आपके साथ.
जी.
What is the feeling like?
Feeling is electrifying. क्योंकि 2 साल तो कुछ किए नहीं. अभी कुछ 3 महीने से शुरू हुआ है. And to get such a big platform and work with, I have done my best songs are with Rahman. It's his compositions. तो मजा आएगा.
Definitely, sir. हमको तो बहुत मजा आएगा for sure.
जी.
Sir, tell me, with a career spanning over 30 years and continuing, you have impressed music lovers across all generations with your music. What is the secret of your success?
Sing from your heart. Because the heart never changes through the generations. वो तो वही है.
True.
दिल का जो मामला है वही.
और आप पूरे दिल से गाते हैं.
जी. कोशिश करते.
That's beautiful. That's really nice. Tell me, आजकल we are seeing so many remixes being made.
जी.
What thoughts have you got on those?
Remixes मेरे ख्याल से just to give it a twist लोग करते हैं, उसका sound भी change करते हैं. अच्छी बात है, इसमें नहीं, there's nothing wrong with it, but the soul of the song, the original song should be kept.
True.
वो ज़रूरी है.
Any song of yours that you would like to see revamped, remixed?
ऐसे कोई ख्वाहिश नहीं है.
अच्छा, ये जो पूरा लाइनअप है A.R. रहमान जी के पूरे कॉन्सर्ट में, there are so many wonderful, talented singers. Do you have any favorite from them?
हाँ, हरिचरण बहुत अच्छा गाता है. He's I wouldn't say he's upcoming. He's
established.
He's established singer, and then you have Sasha, and you have Jonita, Shweta. They're excellent singers.
There's Javed Ali, there's Benny.
Javed bhai. Benny is R&B बहुत अच्छा गाता है. वो उसमें खिलवाड़ करता है वो.
Yeah. You know, he's UAE born and
I know.
brought up.
He's from Dubai. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. बिल्कुल. सारे अच्छे आर्टिस्ट हैं. वो भी मजा है ना? They're all together, and I love to hear youngsters work with them.
Yeah.
Always, yeah.
Over the years, what do you think, Hariji? Music, how has it changed?
How has it changed? How has it changed? It has become noisier.
Noisier.
Yes, it has. लय प्रधान गाना ज़्यादा होता है. Beats. Up tempo.
True.
People love up tempo. ये है heavy production है. अच्छा है. It's basically with the world changing, the sound also changes. पहले ज़माने में 30 साल में साउंड चेंज होता था, फिर 20 हुआ, फिर 10 हुआ, अभी 2 साल में चेंज हो जाता है।
ट्रू।
या 5 साल में हो जाता है।
करेक्ट।
तो इट्स अ ट्रेंड एंड द ट्रेंड मूव्स वेरी फास्ट नाउ बिकॉज देयर इज सो मच ऑफ थिंग्स कमिंग आउट, यू नीड अ चेंज। अरे यार बोर हो गया, अरे ये तो बहुत ओल्ड है,
ओल्ड हो गया,
अभी
अब कुछ
क्या
नया चाहिए।
नया चाहिए, हाँ। तो इस एंड दैट इज द डिमांड ऑफ द पीपल।
यस।
तो उसको निभाते निभाते कहीं कहीं वो एसेंस ऑफ म्यूजिक चला जाता है।
तो आजकल के जो म्यूजिक कंपोजर्स हैं, इज देयर एनीवन दैट यू एडमायर?
बहुत सारे लोग हैं। आई मीन शंकर इज ब्रदर टू मी। क्या अच्छा काम करते हैं वो लोग। एंड साउथ में देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु आर कमिंग अप, अच्छा काम करते हैं। क्या है ना कि गाना सुन के मजा आना चाहिए। ऐसा नहीं कि थकावट लगे, अरे यार इतना ढकचू क्यों हो रहा है।
True.
You have the beats, up tempo, कुछ भी रहने दो, मगर वो यहाँ पे लगनी नहीं चाहिए। उसका ध्यान रखें। बस।
That's a very good tip coming from you,
मतलब
sir.
क्या है ना, सैनिटी और इंसैनिटी का एक लाइन होता है ना, शोर और मजा लेना, इसका एक लाइन है।
Very fine, very thin line between it.
हाँ, करेक्ट। मगर क्या बात है, ऐसे क्यों नहीं होना चाहिए? क्या बात है, अरे क्यों हो रहा है? हाँ?
To be careful about
जी,
that.
जी,
I think
जी।
that's a very good tip going out to upcoming music composers and singers. They
Yes,
should know.
yes.
They should know this difference. Thank you so much, Hari ji.
Thank you.
और जाते जाते will we have the privilege of hearing a few lines from you of any song that you love the most?
तू ही रे, तेरे बिना मैं कैसे जीऊं, आजा रे, यूं ही तड़पाना तू मुझको, जान रे, इन आँखों में बस जा तू, चांद रे, आजा दिल की जमीन पे तू ही रे।
सर मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूँगी, मुझे गूज़बम्स हो गए सच में। एंड आई कांट इवन इमेजिन कॉन्सर्ट में क्या क्या होने वाला है। इट्स गोइंग टू बी so rocking. Wish you all the very best
Thank
for
you
it,
so
sir.
much.
May you continue inspiring us. May you continue mesmerizing us with your voice, with your music.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Hari ji, for joining us here. UAE is one of the most sought after locations for Bollywood shoots thanks to its charming landscapes and unrivaled architectural landmarks. We will take you to a shoot location for a Bollywood movie right after this short break. Stay connected. Welcome back. Producer Sajid Nadiadwala was in the UAE with his crew including Tiger Shroff, Tara Sutaria, Ahmed Khan and others for the shoot of his action thriller Heropanti 2, which got released this week. In an exclusive interview with Zee Connect, he spoke about the film, his upcoming projects and much more. Sajid, welcome to the UAE, to Alain and to Zee Connect.
थैंक यू वेरी मच, शुक्रिया बहुत।
कैसा लग रहा है यहाँ पे?
मैं तो कल ही आया हूँ एंड आई बीन शूटिंग रेगुलर। दृश्यम भी मैंने यहीं फिल्म की थी और आई हैव आस्क्ड माय एग्जीक्यूटिव प्रोड्यूसर और वो बहुत खुश है। एज यूजुअली द हॉस्पिटैलिटी इज सो गुड इन द मिडिल ईस्ट।
Yeah. Well, it's great that you're here and on the sets of Heropanti. It's looking huge, it's looking big. You've already delivered 2 massive hits with Ahmed. So with Heropanti 2, are the ambitions bigger now?
It goes bigger by every film and when we started Baghi 2 it was small
Yeah.
and then Baghi 3 it reached a 3rd level. And Heropanti, I think I've written the story so it better does well.
Yeah. And from Baghi to Heropanti, you've seen Tiger grow as a performer. So tell us something more about your relationship with him.
Usually I don't go on the sets regular. So I used to always meet him on the trial or on the first day of shoot or when I used to narrate him the story.
Yeah.
But this time क्या हुआ? This film I went to because there was a lockdown to my London gig with my family, and I had this opportunity of spending a lot of time with him. And I realized that he doesn't grow by months or years. He grows every day. You know, I had a great 30 days experience with him, and my kids had great experience. And he's growing by the day. I can see him. I feel so proud.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is it that you love about him?
Everything from the time he gets up, his sincerity towards his work. ये क्या होता है, बहुत लोगों को चाह होती है लाइन में आने की.
हाँ.
जब वो लाइन में आ जाते हैं तो
सब
फिर
भूल जाते हैं, थोड़ा लेट बैक हो जाते हैं.
इसलिए इसने होल्ड बैक किया है कि मैं अपना टैलेंट और अपना काम जाने नहीं दूंगा.
Yeah.
So from morning he's training or he's doing something. He's particular about his food. He's particular about his relation.
Yeah.
तो ऐसे लड़के बहुत कम मिलते हैं जो इतनी संजीदगी से काम करते हैं और इतने सीरियस है अपने प्रोफेशन में.
And that shows in his work and in his personality and the
Of
way
work
it has.
also. I'm so happy. First time I told him, because even the first shoot when Heropanti 1, I didn't go on the set.
Yeah.
Usually I don't go on the set.
Yeah.
So अब तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं जाता, because whenever I go on the set वो कहाँ ना कहाँ टंगा हुआ होता है. तो वो बोलता तो है कि sir, why don't you come for the shoot? But whenever I come, he's hanging somewhere.
loves
कभी
doing
चॉपर में,
stunts.
कभी है, तो ऐसे ही हाथ दिखाना पड़ता है. But he's a good boy and I'm very proud of him.
Nice. So, along with Heropanti 2's release, around the same time, there's another huge movie releasing. So, that is going to be a win-win, of course, for movie lovers. What do you think?
I think Ajay is releasing
Runway 34.
And Eid is inshallah on either Monday or Tuesday.
हाँ.
So I feel even when we were kids, ईद पे जब पिक्चर लगती थी या दिवाली में, तो फिल्म तो देख लेते थे कि उसके नेक्स्ट डे क्या करे,
हाँ.
बासी ईद को क्या करे. So it is very nice that two films are coming and
Yeah.
they will enhance the requirement of the audience, you know.
Yeah.
ईद ऐसा है कि you just 30 दिन के बाद आपको बाहर जाना है. Just want to enjoy, not one, twice, thrice. तो ये I think they'll have
It's
a
been
great
a long
time.
time कि movies
बहुत time
release
है.
हुई, हम जाकर देखें theater में बैठकर.
जी बिल्कुल.
It'll actually be a very entertaining experience for everyone.
बिल्कुल.
But Heropanti on Eid, and then what else is coming?
उसके बाद there's a film with Salman.
Right.
It's not title yet. कोई भाईजान बोल रहा है, कोई ईद दिवाली बोल रहा है. We are writing the script. We're starting shooting next month.
Okay.
उसके बाद we'll decide. We'll take a call. This time we're trying to take audience poll. What do you think it should be the title of the film?
Okay, and then you'll decide.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yeah. There's a film with Nitesh Jibo जो हमारी group है जिन्होंने छिछोरे बनाई थी.
Yes.
So we are starting a film with Varun and Janvi.
Okay.
So not title yet, but we're starting again. That is next month. Then there is one film with Karthik. This tentatively titled Satya Ki Prem Katha. So all
So there's a lot to look forward to.
And the 4-5 more surprises also.
Okay. And of course UAE के साथ तो connection बन ही गया अभी, and you're of course being awarded here as well. It's so great, right?
Yeah, definitely. As kids, we used to come here as tourists.
Yeah.
I remember in the 90s, and to be honored at the same place here, with the golden visa, with the brand ambassador, it's very nice. I know very few people know I shot a film in 2003 also, Mujhse Shaadi Karogi. Yeah, with Salman and Akshay, and there was a song here we shot in Fujairah, I think so.
Yes. Yes, I think so. I think we've seen
So there's
glimpses.
lot of association with UAE.
Yeah, which is wonderful. Thank you so much for talking to us. We wish you all the very best for Heropanti 2 and all the upcoming movies.
Thank you. Please.
TimeQuest Entertainment, in association with ZTV, completed the 10th edition of its Smile on the Face Ramadan campaign this year. Check out the story up next. A small act of kindness can bring a smile on someone's face, and this stands true literally. As part of the initiative, iftar meal boxes along with care package were distributed to the blue-collar workers at UAE labor camps during the holy month of Ramadan. 。 Now on to its 10th year, the Smile on the Face Iftar Meal Box campaign continues to reach thousands of blue-collar workers across Dubai during Ramadan. And ZTV has partnered with TimeQuest to help get these much-needed boxes out to thousands of workers across Dubai. The Smile on the Face campaign started on April 16th, and along with food, vital healthcare products are also provided. And so far, they've reached an incredible 6,275 laborers. Each meal box contains biryani, dates, laban, water and fruits. And there is also a care pack stacked with healthcare items including shampoo, toothpaste, soap, cream and hand sanitizer. What more should I say about the guest who's joining us right after this break? Well, he is a magician who can churn out hit music even while he sleeps. To know more about him, stay with us. Welcome back. Today we are going to meet someone who has proved his versatility not just as a music director but also as an amazing singer and lyricist. His music is timeless and simply out of the box. Enough of talking now, I can't wait to meet my absolute favorite Amit Trivedi, and I'm sure you can't either. Amit, so excited and so nice to have you here in Dubai performing at the Expo. I'm sure you're excited as well.
Yeah, I'm very, very excited. I can't wait to go up on stage right now. Seriously, that. Of course, there's always a nervousness. वो तो रहता ही है.
हाँ.
Excitement and nervousness they go hand in hand.
अभी भी होता है?
वो अभी भी होता है.
Really?
Nothing has changed. After it's been 13 years, 15 years, sorry, 15 years, same.
You have actually done so many different musical projects, whether it's folk or contemporary, western, jazz, period films. Do you feel afraid of experimenting or you're just like करना ही है?
जो स्टेज पे जाने से पहले हो रहा है ना, same होता है उधर भी.
हाँ.
Actually, it's very exciting.
Yeah.
Because experimenting, trying to do something new, trying to enter into a territory which is unknown. And how I will do it, will I be able to do it, will it go fine, all those questions are there. But एक excitement भी है, एक thrill भी है, fun भी है कि यार कुछ नया करने को मिलेगा. And that's the kick is there, that high is there to do something new.
Yeah.
Then the mundane, रोज there are 5,000 songs that come out every single day in that style. But
there has to be something unique about
something unique, something that cuts through. So I thought it's worth it, yeah, let's try.
You come from an advertising background, so tell me the difference between composing for jingles and now for Bollywood music.
Well, I have learned a lot from that background. It was like a solid training ground for me.
Yeah.
Advertising. Of course, 15 seconds. Basic difference is you're dealing with 10 seconds,
right,
15 seconds,
duration.
20 seconds. Duration, that's it.
Yeah.
30 seconds. But yet you have to send across the message through the music same way.
Yeah, true.
And there is product that you're dealing with. You're dealing with a lot of products.
Yeah.
So you have to do justice to the product.
Correct.
You're directly dealing with the audience.
Correct.
So yeah, it's two different worlds
Of
altogether.
course, yeah. In fact, we've heard that you get ideas for your tunes in your dreams. Tell us about that.
Mostly in the sleep, yeah, while
Yeah?
I'm sleeping. Like, I don't know what is it with sleep and me and... Abhi band hua hai, I don't know why abhi thoda band hua hai, but in the past, almost every night I used to wake up with some tune and I had to remember it and record it. Like search for the phone and search for that. And then some beautiful songs I have created, which have stayed forever. They've all come from somewhere else, in my sleep. Yeah, I don't know the science behind it, but whatever little bit I understand, little bit knowledge, you're doing this 24/7, 365 days. So it's there in your subconscious, hidden in your subconscious. And
tell me something. You've also composed for South Indian films, and there are languages that you may not understand. And music is all about feelings and emotions. So if you don't understand a language, how challenging does the process of composing get then?
I've sung in a lot of Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, all languages I've sung also. I'm doing a Gujarati film. My first Gujarati film is coming. So languages was never the barrier. Of course, the directors are there, the filmmakers are there, the translators there. So they kind of help with the what the meaning of the words are.
Yes.
And we are all human beings. At the end of the day, इतने emotions है.
हाँ.
और उससे ज़्यादा क्या होगा अलग?
Do you have like a favorite director, a favorite lyricist that you've worked with?
कैमरा में बोलूँगा तो मार खाऊंगा.
जितने नाम चाहिए आप ले सकते हो.
सभी actually, honestly speaking, all the directors that I've worked with, they are all wonderful to work with. The best part about it is that they each teach you something new. Because everybody has a different taste.
कोई favorite lyricist?
सारे favorite है. So Amitabh Bhattacharya and Anurag Kashyap, they're the two directors and writer. I would say they started off my career with these two people,
Yes.
and still I think they are very close to my heart, and I still love working with them. And they would be my top favorites, of course.
Okay.
तो बाकी सब favorite है, ऐसा नहीं है. देखिए, ये झगड़ा.
मैं उनके मुंह से निकलवा रही हूँ, but सब favorite है. One more question I want to ask you is, what is your inspiration behind A.T. Azad?
Oh wow! That was something that I always wanted to do, always before films also.
Yeah.
But वो मैं कर रहा था, उसको मैं I was trying to chase it, and suddenly films happened. It detour हो गया.
Right.
And then suddenly Bollywood happened because I met Anurag Kashyap, I met Amitabh.
Yeah.
And then that took up so much that Devdi became so big, and the whole entire industry kind of started chasing me, calling me.
Yes.
So my first 8-10 years were completely taken over by Bollywood.
So this took a
मुझे-
backseat.
It took a solid backseat, and I'm also growing older, not
Yeah.
getting younger.
True.
So-
But you seem like you're aging backwards. Looking younger by the day.
Thanks. So I thought, let me do this right now.
Yeah.
Otherwise, नहीं होगा. So I had planned it for 2020. Planning चल रहा है, and God, I don't know what God had planned that COVID and A.T. Azad both launched at the same time. I was waiting for this for 10, 12 years, and now I'm launching it, and this COVID is in my
COVID had
life.
to happen.
COVID had to happen. Same time that around March, April is when
Yeah.
lockdown was around. But since 2020 till now, 30 songs I have released and videos.
Wonderful, amazing. You're doing really, really well, and we hope you continue doing well.
Thanks.
And बहुत कम, I was telling you before, बहुत कम ऐसे composers होते हैं जो गाते भी बहुत अच्छा हैं. So, and you are one of those, and we cannot let you go without humming a few lines for us.
Oh. अरे अभी अभी प्यारा सा चेहरा दिखा है. This is for you.
That's for me.
अरे अभी अभी प्यारा सा चेहरा दिखा है. अरे जाने क्या कहूँ उस पे क्या लिखा है. गहरा समंदर दिल डूबा जिसमें घायल हुआ मैं उस पल से इसमें. नैना दा क्या कसूर वे कसूर वे कसूर. नैना दा क्या कसूर वे कसूर वे कसूर. नैना दा क्या कसूर वे कसूर वे कसूर. ए दिल तू बता रे. पीछे का भी म्यूजिक साथ साथ में आ रहा थोड़ा.
कोई बात नहीं. We've captured this, and we love it. Love it. Thank you so much, Amit. It's been so wonderful talking to you.
Same here. Pleasure. Thank you.
बताए उसकी आज मैं नजर खाने दूँ. सवार दूँ.
एक कुड़ी जिगाना मोहब्बत गुम है गुम है गुम है.
चला मुड़ियो मुड़ियो राता दे काले काले चले कर डाटा दस.
ये फितूर मेरा लाया मुझको है तेरे करीब. सदियों की मदहोशियों से.
Thank you all for coming. Thank you all. This means a lot. This means a lot.
So here we are at the end of this star-studded episode. Wishing you all a blessed and wonderful Eid from all of us here at Z Connect. I am going to see you next Sunday on Z Connect at 8 p.m. And last but not the least, if you enjoy watching our shows, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our social media handles that are mentioned right here. Take care and see you soon.